Hi, my name is Zach Miller, and I'd like to join the Golf Galaxy team as a retail sales leader. I have a very large passion for the game of golf. I've loved golf for a long time, and I would be excited to work in the golf industry. I think that by assisting customers on a daily basis, we can help them better their game or just help them enjoy the game more, which will increase the return rate of customers coming in, and I think it would bring in even more new customers interested in the game to learn about it. I have not worked in sales before, but I have worked as a delivery driver for 5 years. I've worked with customers on a day-to-day basis. I have experience working with customers. I was also a delivery manager for the past 3 years for the busiest holidays, and as the delivery manager, we increased sales by 20% each year at the flower shop. I have a very large passion for golf. I'm excited to work in the golf industry. And I think by giving each customer a near perfect experience in the store, we can increase the amount of people coming in and increase the sales and increase the growth of the game of golf. Why am I leaving my current job? I want to work in golf. I'm very excited to work in golf. I'm very excited to work with people who work in golf and meet more like-minded people that just love golf. I think it'd be a great industry to work in. I want to do my part to continue to grow the game. I think that it's a fantastic game of golf. I think you can learn a lot by playing it, and I think that by helping more customers enjoy the game more, we can continue to grow the game more and bring in even more customers. I've grown as far as I can at my current job. I don't want to build the arrangements for flowers. That's the next step at a flower shop, and I don't have a passion for flowers. I do have a passion for golf, and I'd love to work in the golf industry. What do I know about Golf Galaxy? I know that they're a part of the Dick's Sporting Goods family. I know that they're with Field & Stream. I know that they're the golf central store in the Dick's Sporting Goods family, and I know that they're also one of the top golf retailers in the country. And I know that as one of the top golf retailers in the country, customer service is the number one priority, making sure the customer is happy and having a good time in the store and finding exactly what they need. How would my boss and coworkers describe me? I'm a very hard worker. I love coming into work every day. I come in excited to work every day. I'm also very easygoing. I'm very easy to get along with. I don't let a tense situation really get in my head or ruin my day or anything like that. I'm very level-headed and very easygoing. I'm also very detail-oriented. I'm kind of a perfectionist, but I think that helps me in my day-to-day workspace. I pay a lot of attention to the details around me. I'm very efficient. I don't like to waste my time. I don't like to waste anybody's time. I think that I'm very efficient in my day-to-day work situations. I don't like to waste time, and I'm a very hard worker. I just want to say thank you for having me in. Thank you for this interview. I'm very excited to work in the golf industry. I will be an asset for Golf Galaxy. I think I can come in and help you sell even more clubs. I think I can help other people enjoy the game more, which will bring them back into the store. I will work well with my coworkers and my new team. I've gotten along with everybody I've ever worked with. I'm very easy to get along with, and I'm excited to work with a new team in golf. I'm very excited to work in the industry. I will work to continue to grow with Golf Galaxy. I've been at my current job for a very long time. I like to grow within a certain organization. I like to grow with that organization and watch it grow. When can I begin? I would love to have the job. I can start Monday. I'm very excited to work here, and I'm very excited to work in golf. Thank you for your time.